Hi all, this is Surya from Dr.SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, working in Department of Computer Science, Full Stack Web Development. Today we are going to see about operating system memory management. Memory management. What is a memory management in OS system? It is functionally an operating system which handles or manages primary memory and moves process back and forth between main memory and disk during the execution. Most important functions of operating system is primary memory. It helps the process move back forward between main memory and execution disk. It helps OS to keep track to every location and perform several processes executed. Several processes in the main memory and even more important to manage them effectively. Why use memory management? Here are the reasons for using memory management. It allows to you to check how much memory needs to allocated process, that dedicated which process should get memory that which time. Tracks whenever the inventory gets fed or unallocated according to the update of the state. It allocates the space to application routines. It allows make sure that application do not interface with each other. Helps protect different processes from each other. Programs in the memory and memory is utilized full extent. Partition allocation. Memory is divided into different blocks or partition. Each partition is allocated according to the requirement. Partition allocation is the ideal method to avoid internal fragmentation. Below are the various partition allocation schemes: first fit, best fit, worst fit, and next fit. First fit is the first sufficient block from the beginning of the main memory. Best fit, the first smallest partition among the free partitions. Worst fit, which is largest sufficient freely available partition in the main memory. Next fit searches for the first sufficient partition from the last allocation point. And here we are going to see about the techniques: single continuous allocation, continuous allocation, paged memory management, segment management. Single continuous, that is that computer memory expects small portions OS available in one application, MS dot and embedded OS. Every partition stores the information for specific task job, and method consists of allocating starts allocated. Paged memory, the hardware memory supported unit map pages frames should be allocated in the base page basics. And here we are going to see about the swapping. What is swapping? Swapping is a method in which the process should be swapped temporarily from the main memory to the backing storage, back into the main memory for continuous execution. Here the small diagram is given: the process 1 and process 2. An operating system uses space, swap in, swap up. And these are the things, that is minimum wastage of CPU time of completing the easily applied priority and improves the performance. What is fragmentation? As a process are loaded and removed for memory, free memory space is broken into little pieces. Sometimes the process cannot be allocated memory blocks. This problem is known as fragmentation. Two types of fragmentation method are there: external fragmentation, that is consists of place all free memory together into single block. And what is paging? Paging is a technique that eliminates the requirement continuous allocation of main memory, that is fixed size blocks, that is physical memory called frames. And here there's a major benefits pros of paging. Pages reduce external framing, simple to implement, memory efficient due to equal size. What is segmentation? Segmentation is a technique that eliminates the requirement of continuous allocation of the main memory. And with segmentation memory allocation, different size module segment map table is also available in the process, and segment memory management works every similar paging and function. Subroutine, stacks, arrays are the example of such modules. And thank you for this presentation.